Hi there, this is Jo Baird with Jo's Crafty Hook, and in today's video tutorial I am going to show you how to do the single crochet in the back loop only. The single crochet in the back loop is a good stitch to do if you are wanting to like add some ribbing or add a little texture to your design, or add something with a little bit more stretch here. As you can see, I just did, here's what the regular single crochet looks like, and then I added a little single crochet in the back loop only to my little swatch here, so you can see the ribbing here. You can see that it gives you a taller pattern or design. It adds a little bit more height to your whatever you're making, like a hat, scarf, or whatever. It adds a little bit more height, and it also adds a little bit more stretch. You know, if you're doing a hat or scarf or clothing, it's good to do because you get a little bit more stretch and it adds a nice texture to your design. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how to crochet the single crochet in the back loop only. Here I have made a little swatch with just single crochet, just to get us started. You know, just to show you right away to go in the back loop only. So I'm at the end of my row here. I'm going to chain one and turn my work. I'm just going to single crochet in that first single crochet there, just to add a little bit smoother edge there. Okay, so in a single crochet you see these two loops here. When you look at your work, okay, this is the front part of your single crochets, and again you can see those little two loops there. Okay, this is considered your front loop, which is in the front part of your design, and then that second one right there is considered the back loop, and that's exactly where we want to go. Okay, so you're just going to single crochet. So you're going to insert your hook into that back loop there. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through. You have two loops on your hook. Sorry about that. My cat is in the way. You have two loops on your hook. And then you're just going to finish your single crochet. And as you can see here, it draws out that back loop. It draws out that part of the single crochet, and that's exactly what you're looking for. So you're gonna insert your hook into that second loop there, yarn over, pull through, and complete your single crochet. Okay, again you're gonna go into that second loop or that back loop and single crochet. And I'll do one more. I'm going to go into that back loop and single crochet. Okay, and there you have your single crochet in the back loop only. And as you can see, you have that ribbing right there like I showed you on the swatch. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can comment in the comment sections if you like the tutorial, or if you'd like to see any other stitch. You can find my crochet patterns on my website at www.joscraftyhook.com.